Khaidem Mani, senior advocate and Taragi Jaisu chairperson, asserted that the public are unsatisfied with the inquiry committee formed by the government to investigate on the controversial incident of Gwaltabi. He added that the incident should be investigated by Judicial Inquiry Committee under Commission of Inquiry Act 1952. The statement was made during a press conference held at his residence at Singjamai Yumnam Laikai today. Speaking further, Khaidem Mani expressed disappointment over the inaction of 37 BJP MLAs and its allied MLAs. The senior advocate further emphasized that the party holding the majority of seats should establish a new government within 10 days to revoke suspended animation. He further asserted that if the MLAs choose to delay their actions waiting for directives from the High Command, they should instead resign from their positions.
Mega mass uprising Hama COVID Hore genocide over the Matang Sea the Gina, Ricarino, Kukonina, Magala Tokare, Mukom, Tegisu, Movitokan, Kunna Samina Day, have a Kotami, issue the D, slogan the D, Nana, Sorbetore, Malanga, Kokra, Haga, the Vani, the Malay, and you were over the Vani, have a sea. Going among the manner, Punde, and have a share. I think the Punma Mina, Mahore, so in the night, Polokini, Polokawaya, the Yadi I had to do. I could give him Shiba, I could give Kunaima, Mutpa, from Jati, Mutti, often never like Lina, Larida, Vita, Loto, High Loto, I was in Dene, I had a sofa in my way. So with the one Quina democratic means that, I couldn't machine can